Happy Saturday. I've had a chaotic week. I've been really busy and I'm kind of overwhelmed. My apartment is a disaster. So I took it upon myself to schedule through Handy a cleaning of my apartment. So I'm gonna have somebody come today and clean my apartment. I used to use Handy when I lived back in New York and I loved it. Today's video is in partnership with Handy, but yeah, I was just responding to some of your comments and I got a question about biotin supplements. I get this question a lot about biotin supplements and acne. You know, a lot of people report flares of acne when they start taking certain biotin supplements, and that's something that's genuinely been observed, but we really don't know why it happens. There is a theory that high doses of biotin will outcompete with the receptors for another B vitamin, pantothenic acid. Pantothenic acid is really important for the health of your skin barrier, and so it's thought that maybe through competing out the absorption of that, then you are more prone to irritation and flares of acne, but that really hasn't been confirmed. So yeah, it's definitely something that's been observed, but we don't exactly know why it happens, and it's not very predictable either. Another bad thing though about taking biotin supplements is that the biotin can interfere with the accuracy of blood tests that you may need for medical reasons, like the blood tests that run to determine if you're having a heart attack or not. So yeah, I mean, dietary supplements are not all without harm, and that's an example of, you know, where things can take a downturn with the biotin supplements. And honestly, there's really no evidence to support just taking dietary biotin supplements unless you have true biotin deficiency, which is rare. We don't really have the data to support taking it for like hair, skin, or nails, but that doesn't stop the supplement market from coming out with hair, skin, and nail gummies galore laden with biotin. So yeah, be careful. But anyways, yeah, while I'm at Costco, people are gonna come and clean my apartment. I can't wait. I'm too embarrassed to show you what it looks like in here now because it's like kind of grimy and dingy. But if you're not familiar, what is Handy? Handy is the easiest, most convenient way to connect individuals with service professionals, either housekeeping or handyman services. But Handy is just that, really handy. You can book either through their app or online from your desktop. And they're really upfront and clear about the pricing from the get-go, so you know exactly how much it's gonna cost. And you can have somebody come to clean your house as early as 7 a.m. the next day, or really any time between 7 a.m. and 11 p.m. The booking's really fast. It only takes like 60 seconds at the most. And they can come either weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. I think when I lived in New York, I used to get it weekly, and it was totally worth it. And it's like really easy to reschedule if you need to. The thing that sets Handy apart, in my opinion, is the quality of the service. Professionals have cleaned over 3 million homes and apartments, and the professionals are background checked and rated by customers to ensure the top quality. To learn more about that, check out handy.com/trust and safety. But if you are thrilled with your professional, one cool thing is you can request to have the same person come back each time. However, if you are not happy, Handy will rebook another professional at no additional charge just to make things right. Speaking of safety, Handy has also provided professionals with personal protective equipment like gloves and masks, and professionals do a daily checkup within the app, so you don't have to worry about anybody coming to your home who may have symptoms of illness. They are screened each day. But go ahead and click the link in my description box and you can get your first cleaning for $39 when you sign up for a cleaning plan. Terms may apply. Sorry, my battery died. Yeah, it's gonna be great to come back to a clean house because one of the things that's the worst in here right now is the dust level. I'm horrible with dusting. It's not my favorite thing to do, so I've kind of been slacking on that. I've got Tuscany zhuzhing in the background. I'm gonna have to blow her out before I head on out to Costco, but yeah, the lemon sugar cookie. And recently I did a Kroger click list, and because the Tuscany candles have been on sale, I snagged one actually that I don't know that I've ever had before. It's the Get it out of my candle cupboard. The vanilla cinnamon brulee. I'm looking forward to lighting that on fire. Come on, baby, light my fire. Well, hey guys, I'm on my way to the club, and one of you commented, I think it was last week or recently, asking me if my Costco had a car wash. No, but if yours has one, I am jealous. That would make my life much more convenient. That would be convenient to have that, because I get my gas at Costco, my wardrobe at Costco. I'm one of those people, as you guys know. I just placed an order on Erin Condren, and I even had, you can apparently get stickers made with specialty like their labels for the hourly blocks in the planner. I just had a Costco sticker made, you guys. Yeah, I'm one of those people. Car wash would be super convenient. Super. I feel like super is one of those words that gets a little bit used a little bit too much. You know what I mean? I try and watch my super interjections there. Anyways, yeah, I would love to have a car wash. A car wash and the other thing I get at Costco is my eye exam and my contact lenses. Too bad the dentist can't hook up with Costco. Although my dentist, I really like my dentist. But yeah, anyways, what I was getting at is the more things that Costco could provide, the better, because I like getting it all done at once. You know, the convenience of it. Car wash would be great. I saw on, I think it was YouTube, there was like a little video. Was it a video or like a little mini documentary about how Costco like brainwashes you into becoming one of like a Costco loyalist? It's like, hey, I wholeheartedly admit I am sucking the juice, the Kool-Aid, the juice, but the Kool-Aid, drinking the Kool-Aid, Ken Kesey. Was that where that expression comes from? The electric Kool-Aid, like drinking the Kool-Aid? I think it must, right? Oh, yeah, it's just a chill day. Got my driving gloves on. These, you guys seem to like these. A lot of you have mentioned that you got them. I like them because they have the tech finger so that you can open up your phone and do one. But although you should not be texting while driving, that is no bueno. I see people doing that all the time, and I'm just like, not a good thing. Payway. I have not been to a Payway in a long time. I used to go from time to time in Colorado when I lived there. It was like newer. Payway is like a Chipotle version of P.F. Chang's, although not really, in the sense that you don't go through the line. Or do you go through the line? I can't remember. It's been so long, but it's kind of like a faster version of P.F. Chang's. I used to go there all the time. Not all the time, but a fair amount. I haven't been in a long time. I have not been to a Chili's either in a long time. I want my baby back, baby back, baby back, baby back, baby back. Chili's, baby back ribs. Is that Chili's? I feel like it is. Speaking of ribs, McRib, barbecue on a bun, chomp chomp. Do you guys remember that commercial? Was it McDonald's? Does McDonald's still have the McRib? That thing, like, is it just me, or does that McRib thing, I mean, who thought, is that, like, what, why would you want to eat that? It doesn't look like real food. It looks like, it always reminded me of, like, those little plastic foods that kids would have. There'd be like a little plastic Salisbury steak. It's kind of what it looked like. Mickey D's. McDonalds. McDonalds. Trying to, I feel like McDonald's, whoever was their advertising campaign people, like whoever did the jingles, they're like a legend, because they had some catchy jingles. McDonald's, like, food, folks, fun. I can think back. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, me encanta. Yeah, they had good commercials back in the day when we had commercials on TV when I was your age. We used to go up. This poor man. He was pushing his cart and he had a carton of those little kiwis, the sun gold ones, and they just toppled off and the box opened and his kiwis went all over. And it happened in the crosswalk here where there's a lot of traffic. Stressful for him. Costco has the DHC Deep Cleansing Oil, and then you get this little mini one. $27.99. This is okay. I personally think the Hada Labo one is better. It's got similar ingredients, but I don't know. This one's okay. Not a bad price. Costco also got in some Everyman Jack. You get the 3-pack for $12.99 of their sandalwood body wash and shower gel. Too bad they didn't get any of the fragrance-free products from Everyman Jack. They're pretty good. Like, check out these best match bowl and plate sets. I like this because this is clever. The plate also is a lid. Like this way. Oh wow, that's really smart. Love that. You get 6, $14.99. Lori Gates Chippy Dip powder. Kicking myself because I was hoping they would still have it, but I don't see it. I want the salad spinner, the OXO salad spinner. Looks like they're out. Ah, so nice and tidy. The floors look good and clean. Everything's all dusted. Ugh, feels good. Well, hey guys, I'm back from my Costco run and it's nice and clean in here and it smells good and I'm just happy to have a clean apartment. I don't know about you guys, but I hate disorder, I hate mess, and when I can't keep on top of it, it just frustrates me. But anyways, I got some goodies at Costco, so let me show you. First up, I got some outfits, so our clothing items. So I'm gonna lay those out and show you what I got. The 32 degree did not steer me wrong. Yet again, they've got my back and they came out with these zip hoodies, which is exactly what I like. So I don't have to pull it over my hair and mess up my hair, because you know this material will make your hair frizzy. Anyways, super soft. There's a hood and they have extra small. So whenever they have my size, I snag them because the extra smalls go quick. And I also got this burgundy color as well. I was originally not gonna get the white because I figured it would stain easily, and then I was like, who am I kidding? I'm getting 2. And I also saw these Eddie Bauer zip up ones that looked good. So I got 2 of those. I had small. They didn't have extra small, but I thought that would be comfortable. And of course I snagged a bag of frozen rice cauliflower. And I thought I would try these out for you guys this week. I got the BB Go vegetable pot stickers. They've got tofu, peas, various vegetables inside. And I've scrutinized the ingredients multiple trips, and they are in fact vegan. So I'm gonna give those a try. They looked good. I also got more strawberries for my strawberry chia pudding. Totally getting those in as much as possible until they are gone for the summer. They've been really good. I also got another bag of the Mickey Organic Gala apples because I have really been loving my slow cooker sliced apple recipe that I've been making lately. So good. I got organic mixed squash again. I've been enjoying that. I went for it. I went for the biggie, 2 5-pound bags of Quaker oats. I pretty much eat oats daily, and that container that I got at Kroger last, was it 2 weeks ago, a week ago? I can't remember. I've pretty much gone through about 60% of it, so I was like, forget it. I'm just gonna get the biggie stuff from Costco yet again. And then I have been eyeing some recipes that call for super fine almond flour, and Costco has it, so I figured I would get it. Hopefully this stays fresh in the refrigerator for a while, because I doubt I will go through all of this that quickly. So I'm hoping it stays fresh. But they have it out at room temperature in Costco, so I imagine it's fine. This is back, and it is delicious. I've had it before. It's so good. It's the Heaven and Earth carrot ginger juice. I'm not really a big juice drinker, but this stuff is delicious. So Ibotta currently has a rebate going for any Bonza chickpea pasta, and so I got the biggie size from Costco of the rotini. This stuff is really good if you have ever had it. I'm a big fan of these legume pastas. I don't know, as a vegan, there are so many different ways that you can eat beans, but give me another way and I will take it. I eat a lot of beans, you guys, a lot. And then I got my 2 containers of organic spring mix. This has been a favorite as of lately. I've been making my way through that quite quickly. So yeah, that's everything that I got at the club. Well, hey guys, it is later on and I just went for a long run on my treadmill and took a shower, and I forgot I need to taste test the little veggie dumplings. So I went ahead and made one to taste test for you guys. The instructions say you can either pan fry these or nuke them in the microwave. So that's what I did. You just I just wrapped one of them up in a damp towel and nuked it for 2 minutes, and I have it here cooling. I'm wearing my glasses. I kind of wonder if you could make these in the air fryer. All right, let's have a bite. Mmm. That's the interior. Not bad at all. Mmm. All right, I'm definitely eating these all week for dinner. They're really good. You could like also make up like a batch of them and have them for lunches. These are good. This is a worthwhile try-zy. So yeah, like I said, the Costco taste test is really working out well for me. So, so far, what's been my favorite? I don't know, but I'm having fun doing this. Although, hopefully they get in some new stuff next week. Maybe they'll get something new in, like a new shipment in. Yeah, I'm not regretting that Costco purchase. I recommend those. The BBGO veggie dumplings, not bad. They're not too salty either. Sometimes stuff like that can be a little heavy on the teeth sweats. You know, when something's so salty, after you swallow it, it's like salt is still percolating throughout your mouth. It's just not pleasant, but these were not too salty. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here. Don't forget, check out Handy, treat yourself to a cleaning, and use my link in the description box to save off of your first cleanings. And yeah, thank you guys for coming along with me. I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. If so, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, don't forget, sunscreen and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.